create the axis as you want it. I'm sorry, not as you want it. It'll create the axis based on the values, but we're actually gonna specify the minimum value. You can specify minimum value and maximum value. I was gonna specify the minimum value, but I know we have zeros there, but still. So if you want to specify the minimum value, it would be basically this. And then you can specify the maximum value. We're not going to because the maximum value is going to be whichever hour has the biggest call. But let's say you had grades and all the grades were between 7 and 9. Okay, if all the grades are 7 and 9, it's going to be charted as maybe between 7 and 9, maybe between 6 and 10. It actually has to be charted between 7 and 10. So, or if you're going to chart percentages, make sure you have min of 0, maximum of 100. So it actually shows the correct difference. And title is going to be let's say quantity, and for average handle time and all that, it's going to be minutes. So this one's going to be quantity, and then again we can do style. Let's copy that from here. Let's do a little bit smaller and a little bit lighter. And actually, the title is not going to be quantity. It's going to be from the object that we have up here, y-axis. So it's going to be y-axis dot title. And this one's not going to be 0. It's going to be, let's say, y-axis dot min value. Okay, so we're actually able to configure this. So up here, it's going to be, this should be more like a, I'm kind of liking it more like a JSON object. So let's try a JSON object. Let's try parent div chart title y-axis x-axis and values. Let's start with this. So y-axis, we're going to put min value 0 and title quantity. And this one's going to change. This is going to be just settings. And for instance, this part is going to be settings dot parent div. This one's going to be settings dot chart title. You understand? This one's going to be settings dot y-axis. Okay, so I think this is a better way to send the parameters for the column instead of this. Instead of sending every value separately. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good thing we know Jason, right? Did you make the changes?
We have setting and settings.
Settings. What did I say? Settings?
Setting, and then it's settings.short title.
Yeah, because it's this object here is going to be received in this object here, settings. So we want settings.chart title.
Okay.
Okay, so settings.parent div, which would be this, then settings.chart title, and then in the y-axis is going to be settings.y-axis.minimum value, settings.y-axis.title, and so on.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah, but what my parent said that you put setting.
Settings. With
Okay.
S. Right.
And
Settings. It's not partner, it's classmate.
oh yeah, twice.
we are panas.
What is that? What is a pana?
Like Wana, but with partner, my pana.
Okay. This one might have to be an array. We'll get into that part. If you want to have different series, maybe that's what we want. But let's start with this. So let's see how that looks. No title yet. No y-axis actually. Okay, so x-axis, we want the it's called categories, and it's going to be in this case hours. And title is going to be hour. So I'm going to magically disappear this part. And magically reappear it again. That should show us something. Let's see. Not yet. Come on. Why not?
Ya tienes que enseñarte a levantar tu caca.
What?
Oh.
Okay, let me try something here to make sure that to see that we have everything. Series is actually an array, and we're just going to use one for now. Values. Why are we not seeing anything? There we go. Ah, that looks horrible. Okay, I have to actually take out the legend because it's taking a whole lot of space. So I can do that here. Legend gonna be enabled false. Here. That looks a little bit better. I'm going to change the, let's see if I can change the style of this because it's very, very big. Where is that? I didn't create a HighChart, so I'm not, y-axis categories. Let's see if I can change the type there, the font categories. If I change this, will it change everything? Just the title. Categories. I'll figure it out. You got this part? While you do that, let me just try to figure this out. You got it? Okay, let's try this. It says to do this. By the way, this is the I'll give you a little bit later on. Okay, so it says to try this. Labels dot style. So no labels. Font size 6 points. See if that works. And color. Let me see if that works. Works. Okay, so you can change a lot of things. I saw that part here. Let me give you that forum here. Well, not a forum, but at the left side, you can see all the options that you can change. Okay. So we're good? You got it? Yes.
Yes, professor.
Okay, so we have to do a little bit of this. Maybe make the chart a little bigger in the style. I don't know if you what size you established. I actually said 150 pixels. I'm gonna do them a little bit bigger. Let me try 180. It looks a little bit better. And let's see how it looks here. Looks okay. What do you guys think?
Looks good.
Okay, so what I want you to do is finish the charts. Again, I'm not liking this part here. I just added it like that, but this is fine. All this is fine. This part here, just one series. I want to see if I can send like an array just to test it out. So let's say I have, those are the calls, and let's say I have agents. I'm just going to test it out. I want to see if I can add two series in the same chart. We're not going to do that, but I just want to make sure. So 10, 14, 20. This looks bad. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then so I have two. Let's see if I can send this. And actually, it will be like this. Should be something like this. So series is actually going to be this. That looks good. Let's see if it works. Doesn't work. Main 48. 48. Okay, I forgot to close out the array here. Hey, it works. And you can obviously change the color of the series. So that would be, let me see. Color, that's kind of simple. And I don't know. Let me get a color. Material, design color palette. No, not this one. Okay, pick one. What do you want? Purple, red,
Green.
green. Okay, let's try this one here. And the other one?
Blue.
Orange.
Orange, okay. Where am I? Orange. Try to pick from the same number. So I'm picking from 500. So they look just as saturated. Okay, so we have the color. So we have that now. Now, as you can tell, if you're gonna start refreshing this chart every 5 seconds, this animation is gonna look not gonna look good. So you can actually cancel it. Back in action animation false. So if I can, I'm gonna cancel just one, so you can see the difference. So I'm just canceling one, okay? But I think it's gonna be better if you actually cancel the animation. Got it? Hey, are we good?
No. May I see the last line
Sure.
for? All right, thank you.
Okay, so this is how we're gonna set up a chart. We're gonna give it all the values that we need. There are several. And then this one, we're not gonna actually change it anymore. We're probably gonna leave it this way. And we're gonna draw, or you guys are gonna draw the other 3 charts. Again, we're not gonna use many series, okay? Actually, this is just a test. I can see that it works. I'm gonna take this out, okay? So it's just gonna be one series. So you're gonna finish the other ones, and you will try to do the gauge for this, okay? A gauge, that kind of looks like the one I put up here. The best you can do. If you can't do it with HighCharts, then we're gonna have to do it by hand.
No.
Yes. You don't want to learn how to do it by hand? Cowards. Okay, so finish this. Remember, the icons here are gonna be from Font Awesome. Don't put actual images. Try to find a logo. My logo, the one I did, is at school, so I don't have it here. So just find a call center logo, whatever you want here, and just basically make it pretty. Think you can do that?
We will try our best.
Okay, any questions?
So this is gonna be for Wednesday?
Friday.
Oh, Friday.
Today is Wednesday.
I thought for next week.
You thought what?
I thought it was gonna be for next week.
Nah, come on. You have nothing to do.
What?
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 Nothing to
What?
do.
Did you say that, Professor?
The two hardest subjects you have are with me, and this is the only thing I ask you to do. So
Database.
quit
IoT.
your whining
All right.
and do it. I'm letting you use HighCharts.
Yeah, that's right.
It's easy.
You're the best.
Okay, finish it up. Make it look good.
All right. But
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
now maybe
Go have breakfast and see you
All right.
Friday.
Friday.
Thank you.
Okay.
Right.
Take care.
See
Have
you.
a nice day.
Have a
Goodbye.
nice day.
You too.